Hello, I'm Dr. Saida Rukshida. I'm a psychiatrist. I'm based here in Mumbai, India. We bring to you Stars Meet Heroes. This is the entire medical fraternity and our friends and families, a little small little attempt to give back to our young doctors, our young residents and interns who are toiling away and fighting the COVID war. So we've invited their favorite star to get a little chatty with them and get to know them a little bit and maybe bring a few smiles. Please welcome Kunal Khemu.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so
So
happy and excited to be here, actually. And this is, I know in this time that the Zoom calls and these FaceTime calls have become the new ways of communicating. And I'm very happy that thanks to you, I'm able to come face to face with all these. I mean, we're not even saying heroes because we are saying it, but genuinely in these times when a virus like Corona has become the equalizer all around the world and all of us are in the same boat. These are the frontline warriors who've actually been taking care of us and so many others. And this is the smallest thing that we can do to come here and, like, at least, like you said, not discuss the things that have brought us down, but talk about the other brighter things in life and try to get to know each other a little bit.
great to have you. And our doctors are going to take their turns. Maybe Pooja will like to start saying hello.
Hello.
Hi, I think you guys can turn your mics on because I'm
Hello.
also very new to this. So, like, every time I'm swiping right, I'm seeing three new people. So I'm going to say hi to everybody. I hope you guys are well. And I think every
Hi.
time somebody's asking me a question, just yeah, turn your microphone on so that I can please see.
Right. Pooja, can you hear us? You want to say a quick hello? Tell us a little about yourself.
Yes. Hello. Can you hear
Hi,
me?
Pooja.
Hello. Hi. Hi. I'm Dr. Pooja Kapri, junior resident in Department of Psychiatry, Sion Hospital. I'm really glad that you could do this thing with us because we've been under tremendous stress and
I'm
things have
sure.
been really low actually. So
I'm sure.
anything that brings a smile to our faces, quite thankful and glad for that. So thank you
I'm
so
very
much.
happy, and you've got a very good smile to my face. And look at you. I mean, I remember जब हम छोटे थे ना तो the whole picture of doctors in our heads was these uncle G's and auntie G's that we were going to meet, कि doctor के पास जाना, you would always think. So now when I'm looking at you guys, I'm like, hey, these guys are so young. This is not the same Dr. G's that we used to know. And I know, like how you said, I mean, you guys are there dealing with so much stress and anxiety, not just within yourselves, but outside with people who come, or maybe, we've been talking to so many people, like I said, now digitally, क्योंकि हम एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे हैं. The number one thing that I think is most important is the mental strength that all of us need to have, the ability to stay positive, and it's such an easier said than done thing, because हम सब कहते हैं, कि आप positive रहो, खुश रहो और सब सही हो जाएगा, लेकिन वो कैसे रहे खुश is the biggest question that everybody is trying to fight for. And I completely understand where you're coming from, but I'm really hoping that we learn something from this experience that we've all faced globally, and we step into the new phase slightly more educated and slightly more responsible. Would you agree?
Yes.
Definitely.
And I mean, guys, I can keep talking if you want to ask me a question. Otherwise, I'll just take off. I'm very good at talking.
How are you dealing with this pandemic? Like staying at home and everything. How do
Uh,
you
you
keep
know,
positive?
so luckily I have this little bundle of joy at home, my daughter,
Definitely.
and I think she's been the most the source of happiness through this time. Having said that, I mean, there are good days and bad days, because honestly, मुझे याद है I was shooting for this show called Abhay that I do. और एक दिन this thing started and they said हम लोग एक दो दिन off लेंगे and then we'll start again. But nobody knew that this was going to take such a long time, right? Because वो पहले हुआ कि 4-5 दिन, एक हफ्ता, फिर वो 21 दिन का लॉकडाउन, and then lockdown 2. So nobody was mentally prepared to know कि ये how long this is going to go on till. And hence, like I said, there have been good days and there have been bad days. किसी दिन कोई hobby कर, you pick up a hobby, you watch TV, you do this. Like I remember कि मैंने पहले सोचा था कि यार घर पे रह के थोड़ा योगा, फ्लोर एक्सरसाइज, ये वो, 6-7 दिन किया, उसके बाद
कुछ
8वें
नहीं
दिन
होता है।
गिव अप, कुछ नहीं हुआ। उसके बाद
सेम
थोड़ा
हियर, सेम
बॉर्डम,
हियर।
फिर बॉर्डम सीप्स इन, वो थोड़ी कुकरी भी शुरू की कि चलो कोई रेसिपी देखी, 4 दिन खाना भी बनाया, 5 दिन ये किया, 6 दिन लूडो खेला। मुझे लगा कि लूडो अभी नेशनल स्पोर्ट बन जाएगा फाइनली कम आउट ऑफ कोरोना,
True.
it'll be an Olympic sport. Everybody is a pro at playing ludo now. कैंडी क्रश अगेन, क्योंकि वो कैंडी क्रश वाला फीवर मेरे को लगता है पिछले 2-3 साल में मेरा ऑफ हो गया, क्योंकि वो जब वो नया नया आया था तब थोड़ा एडिक्टेड था, तब बहुत खेला था। तो अभी वो कैंडी क्रश से भी बोर हो गए, फिर आई थिंक अभी लूडो से भी बोर हो गए लोग, बट आई थिंक what really helps is, and I think is the routine. If you have a routine in life now, जैसे what I have tried to do is I don't have late nights as much as I can. I still go to bed at about 11:30 maximum, क्योंकि सुबह 7-7:30 बजे we have to wake up because Inaya wakes up, तो हम भी उठ जाते हैं, we have breakfast together and all of that. So because of that, there is a little bit of a routine in life has helped. नहीं तो when you are lost ना, कि अभी कुछ नहीं है करने के लिए पूरा दिन, then it starts to kind of bother you कि अब क्या करें. और अभी now my new fear is that after this 75 days plus of being at home and not going out, I am scared of going out. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है अभी जब बोलेंगे कि जाओ तो क्या करेंगे हम, अभी आदत हो गई घर पे रहने की.
Exactly.
It's a beautiful.
Hi sir,
you
this
can-
is Swapnil.
You can hear birds now everywhere, right?
Right.
I can hear
Yeah.
कोयल
Yes.
कहीं पे गा रही है.
Hello sir, this is Swapnil Jain.
Hi Swapnil. Sorry, I can't. Can you
Swapnil
hear
is
me?
having some
No,
issues
no.
with his
No,
internet.
Yeah.
Suraj, you want to say hi till the time Swapnil can fix his mic?
Hi, Kunal. I'm Dr. Suraj, resident
Hi,
of
Suraj.
psychiatry from KM Hospital. I'm presently admitted in 7 Hills due to COVID infection.
Oh yes, I heard. I hope you're keeping well. Huh? I'm not even going to be
Yeah.
like, oh, you have to like all say, great, you've got it. Now you'll fight it. कम से कम वो डर तो खत्म हो गया ना कि कोविड हो जाएगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा वैसा हो जाएगा. Look at him, he's smiling. That's the way to fight it.
Yeah, I'm glad Rukshada ma'am gave me this opportunity to interact with you.
I'm so happy, man. How are you feeling, man?
I'm feeling well. I'm fine. Now it's almost 9 days. So I'm waiting for my results to get discharged.
And tell me something. Sorry, I'm asking you this, but what was the worst thing that you faced when you were?
By COVID, worst thing, like after contracting the infection.
Yes.
Yeah, I can only say I think it was the anxiousness, like अरे बाप रे अभी ये हो गया तो अभी क्या होगा करके.
Correct.
The feeling
Correct.
like now what should I do next? Like my parents were like, you isolate yourself at home only, you don't go to a hospital. But then I was like, no, I have to stay at a hospital. I don't want to spread it to them, like after being diagnosed by this. So that decision, and that day it was the cyclone warnings and all also was there. So everybody was telling me don't step out. I had to go to KM hospital, and from there via ambulance I had to come here. So, but I thought कि नहीं चलो, I'll go now and take this risk now. अभी इससे बुरा क्या हो सकता है? thought.
वो psychological pressure ही सबसे ज़्यादा है ना. The disease itself is not that intimidating.
No.
But I think we've just created this whole thing around it कि ये बाप रे कि ये बहुत बड़ा villain है और ये अगर हो गया तो पता नहीं क्या होगा.
Yeah.
And I think that's why you guys are the true heroes, because you all have to break that psychological barrier that I think society में ना they're seeing it as a bad thing कि किसी को कोरोना वायरस हो गया तो अरे ये तो बुरा है, ये पता नहीं कहाँ गया होगा, इसने फैला दिया. Whereas people need to know that asymptomatic carriers and all of that. And look at you.
Yes,
I mean, you're looking so good, man. You're also getting very good light. I want to get the kind of light that you're getting. That's what I also
the hospital is quite good.
So actually, Mujahid probably can tell us a little bit more because he's the chest physician amongst us.
Oh, there you go.
Hello.
Hi, Mujahid.
Hi, Kunal sir. I am Dr. Mujahid from JJ Hospital.
Nice.
I have been working in St. George Hospital in COVID ICU. The most this infection is affecting mainly the old age people with the comorbidities, and generally 95% people get recovered, and 70 to 80% people are asymptomatic. So the basically infection का ऐसा हवा ज़्यादा हुआ है कि ऐसे infectivity ज़्यादा है, it spreads to मतलब very fast, but इसके स्प्रेड होने की वजह से जो अपने घर में अपने रिलेटिव या जो भी हैं सोसाइटी में वो ओल्ड एज एंड विद कोमॉर्बिडिटीज उनके लिए रिस्क है. बाकी यंग पीपल में अगर वायरल लोड कम है, एक्सपोजर कम है, तो दे गेट रिकवर वेरी वेल. तो वही प्रिकॉशन लेना है हम लोग को कि बस ऐसे अपनी वजह से किसी और को इन्फेक्ट ना हो जाए, और प्रिकॉशन लेना है, वही मास्क यूज करना है, सैनिटाइजर यूज करना है. तो एजुकेशन बेसिकली अभी तो यहाँ से वी हैव टू लिव विद कोविड ओनली फ्रॉम हियर ऑन till the vaccine get generated or the proper treatment.
How long do you think we are away from the vaccine? You think another 6-7 months? Or nobody
hopefully
knows, no?
to 1 year. Nobody knows. Actually, in India, it will take 1 year to get developed, at least minimum 1 year, 1 to 1.5 years. In
Yeah, so we have
foreign
to learn to
countries,
exist with
they
it.
are doing very extensive work on vaccine, but it will take time. So till then, we have to live with COVID only. So we have
I
to
really
modify
feel,
our.
but don't you think that COVID के साथ साथ, you know, जब हम immunity की बात कर रहे हैं, we have to emphasize more that for people, physical immunity के साथ साथ mental immunity is the most important.
Exactly,
Like,
exactly.
you know,
Mental
that's where
immunity is, yeah. Because एक बार किसी को इन्फेक्शन होता है तो पेशेंट मेंटली इतना डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है कि he will eat less, and then he will मतलब not take care properly of his own health, and not take care मतलब अब दूसरों को इन्फेक्ट स्प्रेड ना हो. तो इसलिए mentally support is very important. Mentally immunity and health, that psychiatrist counseling in our wards also, daily psychiatrists coming and counseling the patients, so it helps a lot. So we have to just like other diseases like diabetes, hypertension, for till the get vaccine developed, we have to modify our lifestyle.
Correct.
For the
We have
disease.
to learn to live with it. Yes.
We have to learn to live. Sir, how you are fit at home in spite of this lockdown? Are you doing exercise? I don't know.
मैंने एंगल ऐसा पकड़ा हुआ है ताकि मैं एकदम फिट लगूं. but नहीं यार, थोड़ा फिटनेस की बैंड बजी हुई है. अभी परसों a friend of mine sent me this. He said, I've tagged you on this push-up challenge. Why don't you take it? I said, नहीं, बेइज्जती नहीं कराऊंगा. अभी 1 महीने बाद करूंगा. Let the gyms open after that. So, but I've been trying to do a little bit of yoga. यार वो अभी पता है क्या, वो motivation थोड़ी कम हो गई है. More than anything else, no. It's just that because the routine is so broken, and also I feel the biggest thing sometimes that brings you down is that you don't know what the end is. Sometimes if somebody says ना कि अभी 3 महीना यार यही करना है, then you can plan कि यार this is how I have to now break it down. But you every time feel कि अभी 1 हफ्ते में change हो जाएगा तो चलो कल करता हूँ, परसों करता हूँ. It's all excuses. But like I said, mental immunity हम सबकी बहुत ज़्यादा, mental fitness इसका सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी है.
मेंटली अभी हमको सबको प्रिपेयर भी रहना है कि हम किसके साथ रहना है. सो बस लाइफ स्टाइल मॉडिफाई करके वी कैन लिव द लाइफ. ऐसे भी खत्म होने का वेट करेंगे तो मतलब हैप्पी नहीं रह पाएंगे अपन. कब खत्म होगा. It's going to take time.
So we know a little bit about Bombay. Alish, you want to tell us, because I know you're okay. He
can't see him here.
Hi, sorry, I got locked out.
Don't worry about it. We got you.
Yes.
So we kind of know a little bit more about Bombay because Kunal lives here and we live here. But I really wanted to hear about from a small town in another state, really. Alish, you want to tell us what's going on in Raipur, and what do you think is, how do you think you guys are keeping up?
Sure, man.
Hi,
am I audible?
Yes, I can see you now.
Hi, this is Dr. Alish Bhatta. I'm currently in Raipur. I'm pursuing general surgery, and I'm basically brought up in Mumbai. So I'm in Raipur since just pursuing my post-graduation. And since this entire bit has been done, I've been in this city for past 6 months. So compared to Mumbai, where you get all the resources very easily, in Raipur you are very scared for many things, because government usually focuses on big cities where they provide many amenities, but over here people have been trying to follow the at least guidelines whichever they have been trying to just say, so that it can be under control. So I'm very happy to meet you, because it is like something, you know, which is only imaginable for people like us, so that we can meet any star. I'd like to thank ma'am for giving us this opportunity. Also, thank you, sir, for giving us this time so that we can have a conversation.
No, I think I should also thank ma'am to give me this opportunity to talk to you guys.
Thank you so much, sir.
By calling me ma'am, nobody is thanking me.
Sir, I have a question.
Thank you now. Sorry, yes.
I would like to know, though we are medicals, still we have got that craving of going outside, doing something which has, like which normal people do. So what we try to avoid this thing, but as an actor, like what other things do you think we can do so that we can avoid this mental stress? Though we know everything, the mental trauma, the psychological trauma, everything, you know, which is there for that to prevent infection. But other than this, how to stay mentally fit as per you, like from a general people point of view, like what can we do so that we can stay motivated all the time, so that we
You
can.
know, I know that is the toughest question. I think I really hope if there was one true answer for that, because we are all such different people, no, and we derive happiness or joy from such different things. It's like saying I might like Chinese food and you might like Italian. But I think what like that's what I was saying earlier. I think if we can find a kind of a routine, no, because at the end of the day we are doing everything that we are doing, whether it's working and all that, just to give ourselves a motivation to live every day. Otherwise we can also be like animals, live on the free land, keep walking, eating, sleeping, you know. So I think that's what we're missing. In some of whatever way we had a kind of a routine ki, you know, you wake up at this time, you go to office or school or college, and you come back, then you get an hour to read, and then you go and play and whatever, you know, you go swimming or you go to the gym. Now that is when it's disappeared. And I think more than anything else, now that you know that you don't have that choice, sometimes it's just easier to know ki acha mere paas choice to hai na jaane ki. Now you really feel like that animal in that cage. And I've so much, like, I mean, itna introspection hua hai na is phase mein, that I literally felt that in these 75 days, if I feel like this, what about those animals that are locked up for their entire life in a cage? What must they feel like? And hence you just have to find that routine. Now it can be something like, for example, for me, I have a routine thanks to my daughter, that I am up at 7:30, and then we spend like the first at least I spend like an hour in the morning with her, and then I go back to reading, or because I'm writing a little bit, so I spend 1 or 2 hours reading and writing. And then I again join my daughter for like a playtime or her snack or her lunchtime. And then when she goes for the afternoon nap, we watch TV, Soha and I have lunch. And then is that tricky period after lunch, when between 2 and 4, when you don't know what you want to do. So I can do some, I can play some Ludo, or I call up a friend, or I talk with my parents who I haven't seen since the lockdown happened. And so basically till 6 p.m. I have to get there. And then at 6:30 is when again I spend an hour and a half with my daughter, and then it's her bedtime, so I read her stories. So and I are both with her till about 8:30. That happens. Then I am an early eater, so at 8:30 I have dinner, and then maybe watch a movie or a TV show at night, and by 10:30 I go to bed. So if all goes well, this routine is good to keep me going, because I know I have to write at this point, I'll watch TV at this point, I'll eat at this point, I'll go and play with Inaya at this point. At this point, I'll go in for a walk on the terrace, or I'll do some kind of a workout or yoga. So I think if you have that kind of a routine, yes. But I know a lot of my other friends who've been basically like watching TV till 4 in the morning and then waking up at 11. So they have said that after every 2-3 days, they feel like they hit a negative curve, when they start feeling low in the evenings, and they're like, what is going on? So I think sometimes if you go jet lag jaisa, when you go to America suddenly and your body clock changes, you start feeling a little off. I mean, I think that's one thing that can get you to that.
So, hi everyone, I'm Dr. Abhilasha. I am doing my post-graduation in psychiatry. I'm a junior resident doctor working in Nair Hospital, Mumbai. It's really nice to meet you, and I would really like to thank Dr. Rukshida ma'am for giving us this opportunity. And so today I told my mom that we have a Zoom meeting with Kunal Khemu, and she was like, good, just talk to him and just, get motivated, because she, I think, sees your Instagram posts and videos, you doing yoga and you teaching yoga to your daughter. So she was telling me about that. And so I get it that, we're really tired of this unpredictability and the anxiety and the stress. But I want to ask you one thing, like, that one thing which you're going to miss after the lockdown gets lifted. So what is that one thing?
That is actually, I was talking about the same thing with Soha the other day. I said, I think for me, it's very clear. I'll miss, maybe, because I'm now used to just spending my whole day with Inaya. And
Yeah.
I think she's also used to having both of us at the same time. So I think that will be something that I will miss a little bit more than anything else. Other than that, I'm not sure. We'll only know when we're there. Like I said, we never
True.
knew that. Suddenly you realize there's so much time, and then like there are so many hobbies that you wanted to do, and if you're really bad, you'll still not do them. We've always said कि अरे time होता ना तो मैं वो किताब पढ़ लेता. अभी 80 दिन में भी वो किताब छुई नहीं है किसी ने.
Exactly.
And we'll be surprised to know something that you never wanted to do. Suddenly you'll start doing it and you'll realize that this is what I really like. So I really feel that we have to see this as a blessing in disguise, however bad this disguise
True.
is.
True.
And introspection, suddenly we have learned how to slow down, you know, क्योंकि हम, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको जब बात समझ में नहीं आती ना तो ऊपर वाला थप्पड़ मारता है और फिर कहता है अब समझ में आई और तो फिर तभी समझता है. तो इस वक्त हमें ऊपर
Yeah.
वाला थप्पड़ मार रहा है और हमें उससे कुछ
Right.
सीखना है.
Right.
Hi. Hi. Hi,
Hi.
Kunal sir. Hi,
Hi, Arjun.
I am Dr. Arjun से सर, कार्डियोलॉजी रेसिडेंट नायर हॉस्पिटल. रिसेंटली आपकी हमने मूवी देखी थी गो गोवा गॉन 1 मंथ बैक और अभी आप 1 महीने के बाद हमें मिल रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको पूछना चाहूंगा कि आपकी सीक्वल कब आ सकता है गो गोवा गॉन का? बहुत ही अच्छी कॉमेडी मूवी थी.
ये
Yeah.
सवाल का आंसर अभी और भी अनप्रेडिक्टेबल हो गया क्योंकि हमको अभी मालूम नहीं सब कब खुलेगा, कब काम शुरू होगा. और अब तो पूरा मूवी बिजनेस भी थोड़ा एक दौर से गुजर रहा है कि थिएटर्स में भी, अगर आपने देखा होगा वो पीवीआर में, they had to let go of a lot of staff because we don't know, and theaters will be the last thing to open क्योंकि वो एक ही जगह है जहाँ पे सब लोग एक बड़े नंबर में एक कंटेन्ड स्पेस में रहते हैं. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन जब वो खुलेगा और जब शूटिंग्स अभी जो परमिशन मिली है थोड़ी बहुत, वो धीरे धीरे जब शुरू होंगी, तो आई एम डाइंग यार. मेरे को मेरा फेवरेट है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू नो दैट आई रोट दैट फिल्म विद द राइटर्स और उसके डायलॉग्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So it's one of my closest to my heart films. So I can't wait to actually go back and play Hardik and do that kind of comedy again.
नहीं, जैसे अभी पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन है उसके हिसाब से ज़ॉम्बीज एंड वो मतलब कोरिलेट होता है. दैट्स
वायरस ना. हमने एक्चुअली जब इतना बड़ा ये लॉकडाउन तक बात पहुंची नहीं थी, तो जो फिल्म के मेकर्स हैं राजडी के, उनके मैं बात करा था और मैं उनसे यही कह रहा था. मैं बोला यार, we were talking about drugs and virus और आदमी ज़ॉम्बी बन सकता है, और अब एक ऐसा वायरस आया है जो इतना हानिकारक भी नहीं है. इट्स नॉट कंप्लीटली फेटल, बट उसने पूरी दुनिया को बंद कर दिया. तो अगर ऐसा हम गोवा गॉन जैसी सोचे तो लव हार्दिक और बनी अगर एक जगह पहुंचे और उनको इस कोरोना वायरस के बारे में पता चला सबसे पहले, तो क्या होगा. सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, वी वर हैविंग फन विद दैट. लिटिल डिड वी नो कि ये इतना खतरनाक हो जाएगा.
यस सीक्वेंस के लिए अच्छा मतलब सब्जेक्ट मिल सकता है आपको.
सोचना चाहिए इस बारे में.
यस.
Hi sir, this is Swapnil.
Hi Swapnil.
Thank you ma'am for giving this chance to me, and thank you sir to giving us so much your precious time to us.
Thank you.
I was been thinking sir, since we are seeing you since 2005, your first movie was there, and then from there your journey started. So you started with what we can say some serious movie like Kalyug was there, then this local train was there, and then Traffic Signal, then from there you went to such a comedy movie. So what made you feel that you can do this kind of movies also? Means seeing at you, we can see such a versatile thing in you. Means both sides of your coin can be seen. Means seriousness also, and you do ultimate comedy also.
यार I realized that a lot of people thought कि मैं बहुत serious आदमी हूँ क्योंकि मैं serious पिक्चरें करता था. Because even in actually 98, my last film as a child actor was Zakhmi, which was a very serious film. उसके बाद कलयुग हुई, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल हुई, लेकिन I'm actually a very not a funny guy, but I'm a very easy going. मैं serious हूँ नहीं, ऐसा लगता है लोगों को. मैं थोड़ा shy हूँ, तो unless I open up with people, then they get to see the funnier side of me. और जब मैं college में था, I went to NM college. I did theater for 5-6 years. And I did a lot of comedy on stage. तो जो मेरे आसपास के दोस्त थे वो हमेशा कहते थे यार तू कॉमेडी इतनी अच्छी करता है लेकिन तेरी जो फिल्म की इमेज है वो बहुत ही सीरियस है. और वही हुआ जब मैंने कलयुग की, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल की, तो मुझे सिर्फ सीरियस और ड्रामा और इस तरह की फिल्मों के ऑफर आ रहे थे. इनफैक्ट इसीलिए आई हैड टू गो एंड डू अ फिल्म लाइक ढोल, जो क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में अभी बोलते हैं आपने सोलो हीरो की तो आप मल्टी स्टारर क्यों कर रहे हो. ऐसे क्योंकि मुझे कॉमेडी करना था, बट एक्चुअली लोगों को लगा मुझे कॉमेडी आती नहीं और मुझसे होगी नहीं. So I had to kind of go and do a film like Dhol, which had 3 other. I mean, there's Rajpal and there's Sharman and Tushar. They're all done comedy, and Priyandarshan was making that film. So I had to kind of be a part of that project to even prove my mettle as a comic actor. और फिर उसके बाद, because Dhol again became a really popular film. उसके बाद then 99 हुआ, गोलमाल हुआ, ढूंढते रह जाओगे
लक्ष्मण
हुआ.
शर्मा.
तो वो वहां से फिर तो ऐसा हो गया कि सिर्फ कॉमेडीज ही आती रही. उसके बाद किसी ने सीरियस काम ही नहीं दिया. But luckily with Kalank and Malang, I got the opportunity to again go back to
villain role.
serious and darker roles. So yeah, but I think एक actor की जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ा plus point यही होता है कि it's the only profession where you can live so many professions. I can play a doctor, I get to play a cop, you can play a villain, a bad guy, a poor guy, a rich guy. So that's what the whole fascination of being an actor is. And I really think कि if it ever came to a place where somebody said कि now you will for the rest of your life only do comedies, or for the rest of your life only do action or something, then I don't think I would want to be an actor.
Many might not be knowing also that you sing very well also and play guitar very well. Yeah,
That's
I
a
have
nice
seen on
plug-in,
enough.
but I think everybody knows how good or bad I am. I've been putting those videos out.
Hello.
You
Hi.
should have done.
Hello.
Hi, Vivek.
Hi,
Hello.
Kunal sir. My name is Dr. Vivek Waghela. I'm a
Vivek, has somebody told you that you look, I mean, at least in the light that I see, you look like Dada, Saurav Ganguly?
Once or twice.
I'm the third person to tell. But in the light that you're sitting, for 1 second, I thought there is Dada sitting there. Dada became a doctor.
People have called me Akshay Khanna too.
Akshay Khanna, yeah, maybe. But like right now, from where I'm seeing in the light,
Because of
like
my
Saurav
chin.
Ganguly.
It's because of my chin, maybe.
Fatty Akshay Khanna thoda.
I'm a medicine resident at JJ Hospital, and I would like to thank Rukshaida ma'am for
in inverted commas.
yeah, for giving us a chance to meet you, because I've been called by her for twice or thrice, I think so, when there was a meeting with the Imtiaz Ali and Pooja Bedi ma'am. So that time also I could not meet because of my COVID duties.
Sure.
Yeah, but today.
But you saved yourself for the best.
Yeah.
Can we say you saved yourself for the best?
Yeah, definitely. I hope Soha ma'am and Inaya are in good health.
Yes, they are. Touch wood. Thank you.
Yeah. I would like to say a few points that since lockdown, everyone is so depressed that literally we have to keep psychiatrists on duty for relieving their anxieties. So if for the people who are at home and they are fearful of COVID, I think they should be doing those things which would relieve the anxiety, instead of following a routine or following what they feel like. So according to me, two best things are spirituality and laughter.
Yes.
Yeah. So spirituality, if everyone can do, that's fine. But laughter, anyone can have. So because of that only, government had started this Ramayana and Mahabharata, so that people could feel a bit more
Are
positive.
you saying they laugh watching Ramayana and Mahabharata?
No, I'm not talking about laughter, I'm talking about spirituality.
I know, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
I'm trying to make you laugh.
Thanks, thank you so much. But as far as laughter is concerned, I think you have done so many comical movies and comedy movies, and they're very, very good. And thanks to you that we have been watching them. Even with serious roles, you have been doing good. You are truly a versatile actor, but your comedy has made us laugh so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you. So well put. I think it's a good point. I think even after we come out of COVID, I think mental health is something that we've either not talked about it at all, or we've not taken it seriously enough. But I really feel that people have to kind of understand that if they go and talk to somebody, it does not mean there is something wrong with them. There is a big social stigma attached to mental health, and going and seeing a psychologist or a psychiatrist, because people just think that, why do I need to go to them? I'm not sick. There's nothing wrong with me. It doesn't mean that something is wrong with you. I always tell people, even if you can talk to a friend, a partner, your parents, you should just get it out of your system. And but the only thing is, with friends and family, they'll always get a judgmental view, and sometimes you just want somebody to hear you out. And I think that's where mental health really needs to be talked about more, and the social stigma around it needs to be kind of taken away, so that we don't kind of think that something's wrong with us.
Yeah, but this pandemic is a type of boon too for everyone, because everyone needed to be with their family, needed to spend time with their family, with
Yes.
their parents, with their children, and somewhere or the other, most of the time they used to be doing their work, and they didn't get the time to talk to their family as much as they want to, as much as they should talk. But this pandemic has somehow helped them be with their family and at least enjoy some moments, create some memories for them,
Yeah.
so that they can, at least after this pandemic is over, and hopefully it will get over, but after this pandemic gets over, they will think of these moments, and they will at least this will at least bring a smile to their faces.
Yeah. Well put, man.
And I was so happy to see you that I never thought that I would ever meet any film star, but since, because this pandemic is such a situation where it brought my dream come true.
Arey, so sweet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man.
Hello, Mr. Kunal. Hi.
Hi.
I'm Shaurup Motwani. I'm a resident
Hi,
doctor
Sharon.
in psychiatry in Sion Hospital. Um, First of all, I just have to say that since most of us right now are away from our families and we're not with our parents, this particular initiative sort of made up our day in this gloomy picture that all of us are in currently. Going to the hospital every day and looking at those patients, it does put a bit of a dull scenario with us. I just have to tell you that Go Gorgon has to be by far the funniest movie I've ever watched. So thank
Thank
you
you.
so much for that. It's a little bit of a disappointment that it's not on Netflix or Amazon because we would want to
Yeah.
rewatch it. I keep searching for it every few months that if it's there, I'll watch it, but maybe someday.
Hi. Sorry, I lost you there. I think
It's okay.
it's this AirPod. Every time I touch it, it just disconnects. So I'm not gonna touch it. Sorry, you were saying?
Yeah, so just that I hope that it comes up on Netflix or Amazon soon enough because we would want to rewatch it.
I know. I don't even know what platform it is on. Even I wanted to watch it the
No,
other
it's
day, but
not on any platform. I've checked.
I'm also gonna check.
Yes,
Yeah,
if
it's a
you can
mystery.
do
I don't know why
something
it's on
about it.
Netflix. Yeah, let's do something about it.
Yes, please
Let
do.
me find out. Let me
Also,
find out.
I have one more question. Is there any particular scene or a dialogue in that movie which is your favorite?
You know everything. I was just telling them I wrote the dialogues for that film. So
Right, right.
I loved the whole, and a lot of those dialogues came from a lot of stuff that's how I talk to my friends sometimes, and a lot of
Okay.
and I remember there was this, and you're gonna be the first person to know this. There is a scene in Gogoagon where he goes to try to propose this girl, and
Right.
he says वो love letter लिखा था तीसरे पेज में बेहोश हो गया. When he talks about
Ha ha. Where Soha ma'am comes in the picture, like he
yes, and
imagines her.
yeah,
Right.
he imagines her. So that actually came from what I could not get into. That was when I was in school. There was a boy who
Right.
used to like this girl, और वो एक बार ना chalk he used to take a cutter and make गणपतिs on chalk. तो एक बार वो जब
Okay.
काट रहा था तो गलती से उसका हाथ कट गया. तो so I said अरे इसको ठीक कर दे. तो he had this idea. He said कि नहीं यार मैं actually ना इससे एक letter लिखता हूँ और बड़ा इम्प्रेसिव लगेगा. मैं कहा यार तू बड़ा ही बेवकूफ आदमी है यार, तू खून से. कहता नहीं उसको थोड़ी पता चलेगा कि मैंने चौक काटते काटते लिखा था. तो ऐसे ही एक बार मैं रात में पढ़ रहा था नाइन्थ या एट्थ का लेट नाइट आई वाज स्टडीइंग, और थोड़े कमरे में ना मच्छर थे. सो
हाँ.
व्हेन यू आर बोर्ड यू डू दोस एक्सपेरिमेंटल थिंग्स. सो आई कॉट अ मस्कीटो, और जब वो मरा
हाँ.
there was a big droplet of blood that came out. I took a divider and I put it in that writing. But I didn't have a love letter to write. So I was just trying how it was. So it was just such a weird thing that happened in my life that it always stayed with me. And I
Right.
used to, and that's what I said to that guy. I said, तुझे कैसे पता कि तू love letter में कितनी लंबी letter लिखना चाहता है? And is this
Exactly.
blood going to be enough for that? What if you want to write a 3-pager and you die? And that was the emotion that it was when I was
Behind
writing
that
those dialogues,
scene.
was कि मैं पहले पेज में बेहोश हो गया फिर भी मैंने वो love letter complete किया. So it was all derived from the stupidities that have happened somewhere in my life also.
It did make onto a great scene.
Yeah, I did actually. It was fun.
Thank you so much for that, and I'm looking forward to the sequel.
I know. I'm too.
You are too right. Thank you. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. You're so welcome.
I think we have Munzira now. She kept going in and out.
Hi.
Hi, Munzira.
Hi, I'm Dr. Munzira Ansari from ENT department in JMC Lagpur.
Hi. एक तो आप लोगों के नाम इतने अच्छे और यूनिक है ना. I'm so jealous. I have the most common name in Bombay. Like मेरी क्लास में 4 कुणाल थे, मेरे कॉलेज में 10. Like I get so like I read your name and I'm like, wow, that's such an interesting name, and it's so unique. And like that's what happened when I met Soha. Also, I'd never heard that name before, and I was like, why couldn't I have such a unique name? I have like the most common
sorry
name.
to interrupt, but you have stood out from all those Kunal.
Thank you so much. You know, there's a very funny story to this. I'm sorry, Munzira, I'm going to take a minute.
Yeah,
So, जब मैं
sure.
NM college में था ना, the cutoff there is very high, and like you have to be really intelligent to get there. I was not that intelligent, but I got like 75% in my 10th. But I was also, because in the dramatics quota, I got like admission there. So I was very happy to go there. But the competition there was very big. So the first open, like you know, the open houses that they have. So I, वो paper उसी वक्त मिलते हैं. They did not tell us what our results were. So we were supposed to come with our parents. So I remember walking in with my dad. और वो एंट्री पे ना वो चॉक बोर्ड पे बड़ा बोर्ड लगा हुआ था और उस पे वो टॉप रैंकर्स के नाम लिखते, तो वो नाम लिख रहा था, तो नंबर 1 पे उसने कुणाल लिखा था. So when my dad walked in, I also looked at that board and I was like, इतने अच्छे तो नहीं गए थे मेरे एग्जाम. और फिर वो आगे उसके मेहता लिखा उसने. मैं बोला अच्छा ले. So there are positives and negatives. If we had not stood there and if I just told my dad कि देखो पापा first आया चलो वापस, I could have gone back with a very happy family. But anyway, sorry, I cut you short.
No, it's okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Rukshida ma'am, for arranging this for us.
Dr. Rukshida ma'am has collected 1000 thank yous today.
ये इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि इससे पहले मैं हर ग्रुप में ना मैं कह देती थी यू आर नॉट हाउ टू थैंक मी, ये ग्रुप को नहीं कहा तो इस वजह से वो लोग सब कह रहे हैं.
It's good, it's good. Should collect them.
Munzira is an artist
And
herself.
Yeah,
Oh, really?
I do calligraphy and artistic stuff a lot. Yeah.
Oh, lovely. I love calligraphy. I can only write L and S in calligraphy.
I usually do copperplate script.
Oh, love. Nice. Nicely.
So maybe Munzira can do like a calligraphy of all our names and then I'll send it to everybody including Kunal.
Please do.
Sure, sure, sure.
Send me a snapshot of it. But write Kemu also, because Kunal can be for like I said, for half the city.
Yeah, sure.
And we apparently have a poet amongst us as well.
Oh, wow.
We have a poet. I think Vivek writes, right? Vivek?
That is Vivek, though.
Vivek, you write poetry, right?
Yes.
Vivek is also
to read
thinking
out a
before he
short
said
poem.
yes. He was like, अभी ये पूछेंगे तो मैं कौन सी वाली सुनाऊं?
No, I've written so many. I have 140 of them. So I'm just searching for
Wow.
my poem, which I'm going to read out.
Show off.
कुछ तो बताना पड़ेगा ना, इतने बड़े स्टार के सामने हैं हम लोग. Hi,
चलो बता दो
Kunal.
फटाफट.
I'll be reading it now.
Yeah.
It's about the day. Okay. The title is "How was your day?" So just tell me, how was your day? There must be something that happened today, something that you would want to say, which takes the load off your chest away. Just so you know, I am all ears, if you may. In the open sky, side by side we lay, listening to you till I sway. Let's make each other happy is the game we play. Together your nightmare demons we slay, pretending that they are made of clay. When we win, we both shout yay. Let me just say that in the end, everything will be okay.
Very nice.
Wow.
This is inspired by Ramayana and Mahabharata, because I could see
No,
the
no.
influence.
I've been writing
There
since
is-
5 years. This is my first poem I've just read.
No, it's very sweet. Very sweet. I know, but I'm saying because you spoke about spirituality and all of that,
Yeah.
I can see the influences of those in your poem also.
So on
See,
that
I'm also smart. I put it together.
Arey, you are smart, sir. You need not say that.
But
So on
lovely,
that
guys. It was so
note,
nice to talk to you.
Laugh,
Yes.
Kunal, thank
making
you so
people
much.
laugh is requires a lot of intelligence. And since
Thank
you
you.
have written Go Go Gone, so obviously that
Thank you
says
so
by
much.
itself that you're son.
Thanks.
So on that note, Kunal, we asked for 30 minutes and you've been more than generous with us. And thank you so much on behalf of all of us, all the senior medical fraternity and our friends and families and our young heroes here. It was really kind and very nice of you to spend so much of time with us away from your own family. And we couldn't thank you enough. And it's been a pleasure having you.
Thank you so much. I really enjoyed myself, and it was lovely talking to all of you guys. Keep up the good work. Keep the spirits high, and I hope that we get on to the other side as soon as we can, and we learn something from this.
Thank you.
See you. Thank you so much.
Thank
I love
you.
to
Bye.
meet
Thank you
you.
so
Bye.
much.
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.